So yes, we are very excited to share with you our plans this year. So yes, we are very excited to share with you our plans this year. Mula sa 1Z Entertainment, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Josh Callen Santos, Stelvester Ajero, Philip Suson, and Justin De Dios. Group Manager, Iana Forbes. Group Manager, Iana Forbes. And under our Sales and Marketing Group, our Marketing Communications Manager, Callahan East. And for our Accounts Manager, Mel Daxi.
2026, 1Z Entertainment continues its upward trajectory. 2026, 1Z Entertainment continues its upward trajectory, reinforcing its commitment to developing world-class talent and artists.
Gusto namin yung culture i-connect sa lahat ng sector, fashion, language, product. Gusto namin yung culture i-connect sa lahat ng sector, fashion, language, products, experiences, places, ano ba? Tawag dyan? Ano ba yung tawag dyan? Tourism, lahat po yan gusto namin i-connect sa artist po namin. Nang sa ganun, makilala talaga yung kulturang Pinoy. Pero saan po papasok yung mga brands na, di ba? Parang it's about culture. It's also commerce. So, di ba, through our artists, through the collaboration, meron tayong pwedeng mag-build na talagang pwede natin ipagmalaki sa buong mundo. So, right now, ginawa po namin itong trade launch na to, hindi po para maghanap lang ng sponsorships. We're here to co-build with you and scale everything up so that we can introduce Filipino talent, Filipino products, all Filipino all over the world. So maraming salamat po muli sa pagpunta dito. Ay po yung SB90.
We've always had this dream that in the future we'll be building we've always had this dream that in the future we'll be building a talent-led a system-led model more than just a talent-led model. So for us, the system infrastructure, maybe yung mga nakita nyo is what we have done and what we have been doing for this year. But for our roadmaps, we haven't been able to plot it and you haven't seen it. But soon, everyone and everything here in 1Z will be under one roof, from vertical integration to talent development, and syempre, to us to be a global cultural export. So yun po, maraming salamat po, and I know that you guys are actually here to listen to our visions and dreams, and we are here to co-build with you. And ayun, welcome to the new norm, and welcome to the new system. Welcome to the zone.
Amplify the reach with dynamic posts that engage millions of followers. Amplify the reach with dynamic posts that engage millions of followers across platforms. Next, music video placement. Showcase your brand in creative, high-impact visuals that will reach audiences locally and globally.
Josh Callen Santos, Stelvester Ajero, Philip Suson, and Justin De Dios.